This series of videos attempts to show the easily observed differences between similar looking flowers or plants that one might find on a bushwalk. There are around 50 species of Lomandra endemic to Australia, with dozens of selected forms as cultivars. The four most commonly seen species found in coastal areas around Sydney are Longifolia, glauca, Multiflora, and hystrix. Longifolia typically grows to 1 metre, with creamy yellow flower spikes half the height of the leaves. It comes in a yellow-flowered coastal form, with brighter green leaves and flowers in early summer, compared to the bush form flowering in spring. The leaf tip is the giveaway, being 2 to 3 toothed. As a tough plant, it is commonly used by councils on road verges and around car parks. Another similar species, hystrix, is naturally found north of Taree, but is also widely used by local councils and other land managers. The main difference is in the height. Longifolia grows to just over 1 metre, and hystrix to about 1.3 to 1.5. Its leaf tip is pointed, and the plant is generally bigger, with flowers that are more open. The fruits are also larger. Lomandra glauca is much smaller, up to only 25 centimetres tall and often less, with a 5 to 10 centimetre tall inflorescence, with tiny white and yellow flowers in clusters along the stem. Multiflora is a mid-sized species up to 60 centimetres tall, with striking flower stalks in spring. Also found in dry sclerophyll woodland and heathland, it is also dioecious. The leaf tips on this species taper to a point. The male flowers are held on an erect spike about half the height of the leaves, and consist of several stalked clusters of tiny bell-shaped creamy yellow flowers, with the outer petals a reddish brown. The female flowers are stalkless, a little larger than the male flowers, and grow on an unbranched stem. This is another tough plant suitable for the home garden and can easily be divided into new plants as it grows bigger. The seeds are dispersed by ants, unless eaten first by lizards. It is a food plant for native butterflies, moths, caterpillars, and native bees. If you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe and view other great content? New videos being added all the time.